Good morning everyone, Kath here. I'm here today to show you my new Nature-Botanical junk journal. It measures 8.5 by 6 inches. There's a 1-inch spine and the open edge is approximately 2.25 inches. As you can see, it fastens with an elastic. I've used ticking on the spine and some lace. That's the back cover there. Hope you can see okay because it's very bad lighting today. The weather's so terrible. On the front I've put some it's not quite corrugated card, but it's really nice texture. Lovely image here, and just a little button embellishment there with a little bit of lace. So we'll go on to the inside. Oh, a little side pocket here. I've done some music paper. Put a little tag there to use as like a belly band. And then there's writing space on the back. I've also included these in case you want to put them on the front or on the inside, wherever. Absolutely beautiful images throughout this. That's for a little pocket here. Made a little note there. Note pages. Writing space. And just some plain coffee dyed paper there for you to write on. Oops. There's lots and lots of writing space in here. Just a little bit of fabric sewn down there. I fussy cut this out of a book and stuck it on. Tabs there. Edith Holden page which I've cut up and made into a little tuck spot there. A little tag here. It's a large tag actually. Little button embellishment. This is a little tuck spot there. There's a little side pocket here. A tag here. It goes into there. This flips up. This flips down. Now you could glue that down if you wanted to make that into a pocket. And just there is a little pocket as well. I'll leave that in there. Another tag. A little journaling card there. And then this is a little pocket. Just some journaling paper there. If anybody's interested, this kit that I've used is Victoria Designs. So it's beautiful digital kits. Another one of the little tags that you can use as a belly band. You can tuck that in there like that. And then I've just made a little envelope there. Just tucks in there. Another homemade tag. Some more journaling space there. Little journaling card there. This is printed onto vellum. ledge paper, a book page. This just clips off on there. They've made a little Edith Holden tag, and again I've fussy cut this out and stuck it on the page. We've got the centre of the signature, a little tuck spot there, and here I've just made a little flip up there. I've sewn this onto some fabric there, and that flips out so you can write on there. Another tag there, that's the back of the vellum. Another large tag. Most of the tags are very large in here, giving you plenty of journaling space. There are a few bits and bobs left over, so I will include them. Another one of the, it's an Edith Holden book page. A large pocket there. And here an A4 journal, paper, coffee dye paper. That's also a little pocket there. Some more fussy cutting. And journaling space. Tuck spot, a journaling card, another little envelope, and here the Edith Holden tag with another little bit of a journaling card there. I'll pop that one in there as well. Little tuck spot there, more journaling paper, journaling card, more fussy cutting there. Come to the back page, and again I've put one of those in. And that just flips around there. And that's today's journal. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This will be listed later on in my shop. Please give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video and leave a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.